everyone, this is Shruti Jain. Welcome to Race Academy. So friends, this is the third part of our series dealing with MCQ based questions on static GK. Well, if you like the content, please like the video, share it and do subscribe our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin with our session. Here I present you the first question. The state with longest coastline is option number A is Gujarat, option number B is Himachal Pradesh, option number C is Maharashtra and option number D is Punjab. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Gujarat. So the main points regarding the state Gujarat are, first one is its capital is Gandhinagar. Then it came into being in year 1960. It was the 15th state to be established. 15th state. It got separated from the state of Bombay. Bombay state was separated into two states. Bombay was separated into two states. First one was Maharashtra and second one was Gujarat. Maharashtra dealing with Marathi people, Marathi speaking people, and Gujarat with Gujarati speaking people. So the next point to remember is Gir Forest, which is the National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, is situated in Gujarat. Gir Forest, where Asiatic lions are founded. Asiatic lions. Gujarat state is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west, in the north Rajasthan, in the east Madhya Pradesh, MP, and in the southeastern part Maharashtra. The main folk traditional dances are Garbha and Dandiya. One more folk dance which is performed by women of Saurashtra region is Tippani. Tippani. So this was all about the question number 1. Moving to the question number 2. The southern Indian state with longest coastline is option number A is Karnataka, option number B is Tamil Nadu, option number C is Andhra Pradesh and option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number C, that is Andhra Pradesh. So important points which you have to remember. First, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Second thing which you have to remember is it is surrounded by Bay of Bengal on the eastern side. On the western side, Karnataka state. On the southern side with Tamil Nadu. On the northern side with three states naming Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Friends, Andhra Pradesh was the first state to be separated on the linguistic basis in the year 1956. In the year 1956, by separating the Telugu speaking people from Madras state. So this was all about the second question. Question number 3 is the longest dam in India is option number A is Sardar Sarovar Dam, option number B is Hirakund Dam, option number C is Polvaram project, and option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is it is built across Mahanadi river. Built across Mahanadi river. Its location is in state Odisha. Moving on to our question number 4. The largest saline water lake in India is option number A is Chilika Lake, option number B is Koleru Lake, option number C is Sukna Lake, and option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Chilika Lake. Friends, saline water lake is also known with another name, that is brackish water. And point to remember, Chilika Lake is located in the state of Odisha. So this was all about question number 4. Question number 5 is the largest saline water lake in the world is option number A is Lake Superior, option number B is Caspian Sea, option number C is Koleru Lake, and option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is Caspian Sea. So friends, our next question is the largest freshwater lake in the world is option number A is Lake Superior, option number B is Caspian Sea, option number C is Koleru Lake, and option number D is none of the above. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Lake Superior. Friends, this lake is situated in USA, United States of America. Moving on to our next question. The highest award in India is option number A is Paramveer Chakra, option number B is Bharat Ratna, option number C is Padam Vibhushan, option number D is Padam Bhushan. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is Bharat Ratna. Points to remember in this question is this is the highest award in India and it was instituted on January 2, 1954. Every year, total three nominees are awarded on the recommendation PM to President. First three persons who were awarded with this award were, first one was Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Second was C. Rajagopalachari. Third in the row was C.V. Raman. And the last past year in 2019, three persons were awarded with this award, naming First one was Nanaji Deshmukh. Second was Bhupen Hazarika. Third one was our former president Pranab Mukherjee. Friends, the last two, that is Nanaji Deshmukh and Bhupen Hazarika, they both were awarded posthumously. So moving on to our next question. The highest gallantry award in India is option number A is Paramveer Chakra, option B is Bharat Ratna, option number C is Padam Vibhushan, option number D is Padam Bhushan. Right answer to this question is option number A, that is Paramveer Chakra. Next question. Whose mastermind was behind building India's first satellite? Option number A is C.V. Raman. Option number B is Vikram Sarabhai. Option number C is K. Sivan. Option number D is none of these. Right answer to this question is option number B, that is Vikram Sarabhai. Friends, also note down some important points regarding Vikram Sarabhai. First, the name of our India's first satellite was Aryabhat. And then Vikram Sarabhai was born on August 12, 1919. Then he was awarded with Padam Bhushan. In year 1966. He was also awarded with Padam Vibhushan in year 1972, but posthumously. He even set up the India's first rocket launch site, that is at Thamba. It is in Thiruvananthapuram. India's first rocket launch site at Thumba. So friends, this was the last question and we are done with this lecture. Thank you for joining with me. And friends, one more thing, I have sent the PDFs of these questions in a WhatsApp group created by Funkar sir. And Funkar sir Unacademy लाइव क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, तो आप लोग वहाँ पे जाके ज्वाइन इन कर सकते हैं. ही इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद द पंजाब GK, MCQs, history questions, polity questions and everything else. Thank you friends.